This is a journey through the WeShare app of an existing user, Amy. We designed the homepage to be a visual representation of the items that Amy is offering to others, so that the information would be available at a glance. We also have included quick access icons to the main functions of the application to minimize the cognitive load on the user. Here are two options available to the user, either to search by keyword or the location. On this occasion, Amy wants to see what is available in her area. Now Amy can input the keyword in the search bar to look for the item that she needs. This was the most important functionality that was missing in the website and also in competing applications. It allowed us to remove the long lists and gives more flexibility to the user. The challenge for the item page was to strike the right balance between the information and visuals. Our focus here was to create clear and inviting design so that the most important information is readily available to the user and the functionality is familiar. To increase the social aspect of the service and the possibility of more transactions, this page gives access to the other user's profile. Here it is possible to browse through the offerings list. Amy saw the picture of books on Garrett's profile and remembered that she had her own books to offer. To do so, Amy can easily access the post function from the home page. This leads her to 3 different options, each having a separate section with individual requirements. After posting, Amy is brought back to the homepage and can now see her new item added to her list. She can easily access any of her items by simply clicking on the image, which leads to the option to either edit the post or delete it. While I'm talking here, Amy has received 2 messages in her inbox. The messages are marked by category for easier use. The message box uses a familiar layout. To keep up with trends and use of technology, we have included audio message option to all the communication functions. Because the service is very reliant on the community and trust, we created a rating function where users can rate other users, thus encouraging good behavior and responsibility. In case the user wants to have another look at the item in question, they can easily access it right from the message window. Once Amy has double-checked that she is happy with the item, she can head back to the message and continue the conversation. Now that Amy has answered all the messages, she can go back to the home screen. The overall goal for us was to make the application simple and intuitive to use, to encourage people to interact with it and use it more, and also to add a more social aspect to it. The next step for us is to do a user testing of the prototype.